Are you looking for a reliable motherboard that's compact, has all the essential ports, and still comes at an attractive price? Then stick around, because today we're taking a look at a model that checks all those boxes. This Gigabyte board is clearly aimed at users who want a solid foundation for their PC without spending a fortune. Thanks to its compact micro ATX format, it also fits into smaller cases, making it especially interesting for space-saving builds. Inside, Gigabyte uses the Intel H410 chipset and the LGA 1200 socket. This makes the board compatible with Intel's 10th generation processors, from Core i3 all the way up to Core i9. Overclocking isn't possible with this chipset, but the board supports a wide range of CPUs for office, multimedia, and entry-level gaming. For memory, there are 2 slots available, supporting up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM in total. That's more than enough for most users, though upgrade potential is limited. When it comes to storage, Gigabyte provides the essentials: one M.2 slot for fast NVMe SSDs, plus several SATA connectors for traditional drives. For a motherboard in this class, that's a solid setup, even if power users might wish for a second M.2 slot. The video outputs are practical as well, offering both HDMI and VGA, so even older monitors can still be used. On top of that, you get USB 3.2 Gen 1 for fast transfers, more USB 2.0 ports, and stable gigabit LAN. For cooling, Gigabyte relies on SmartFan 5. This lets you control fans individually, monitor temperature sensors, and even use the fan stop function, keeping the system quieter when it's under little or no load. Another plus is the protection feature. The board comes with a special design that makes it more resistant to sulfur in the air, a fiberglass PCB for better humidity protection, and built-in safeguards against power surges. That's especially valuable if you're aiming for long-lasting reliability. All in all, this board is a well-rounded package for anyone who wants to build a dependable all-around PC, whether for office work, media playback, or entry-level gaming. So if you're looking for a reliable, compact, and budget-friendly motherboard, this model might be just right for you. You'll find the link in the video description. So what are the upsides and downsides of this motherboard? Pros: compact micro ATX format, fits in smaller cases. Solid features with M.2, 2 HDMI, and Gigabit LAN. SmartFan 5 with flexible fan control. Protection features for greater durability. Affordable price. Cons: no overclocking support, only 2 RAM slots, limited upgrade path, just one M.2 slot, restrictive for multiple NVMe drives, few expansion slots overall. The Gigabyte board is a smart choice for anyone looking for a reliable, budget-friendly foundation without giving up key features. Don't forget to check the latest deals in the video description. And if you enjoyed this review, feel free to drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more exciting hardware showcases.